Hey guys, this is for Year 6, Set 5 on page 22, question 12. It says find A, half the complement of 40 degrees. So I'm going to highlight this section first and we're going to do this one first. We need to find the complement of 40 first and then we half that. So what's the complement of 40? Complement, now remember complement means that two angles add up to 90 degrees. So the complement of 40 degrees is what it's asking is what angle adds with 40 degrees to give me 90 degrees. So 90 minus 40 and that gives us 50. So the complement of 40 is just 50 degrees. And then the first part says half of this 50 and that gives us 25 degrees. Question B, half the supplement of 50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle this part, not circle it, but put it in a box. So supplement of 50 means what angle? Now supplement means two angles up to 180 degrees. So what angle adds with 50 to give me 180? And that will be 130. So all of this is just 130 degrees. Now it says half of that, so half of 130 will be 130 divided by 2, which gives us 65 degrees. Next one says 1/3 of the complement of 24. Complement of 24, well, let's work out what that is. 90, take away 24, and that gives us 66. So the complement of 24 is 66. And it says we need to find 1/3 of that. So 1/3 of 66 is just 66 divided by 3, which gives us 22. So this one will be 22 degrees. Question D, 1/4 of the supplement of 64. Now supplement of 64 is what angle adds with 64 to give me 180. So we do 180, take away 64. And this will be a 6, this will be a 7, this will be a 1, and so this will be 116. So 116 degrees. Now it says 1/4 of this 116. So we take 116 and we divide it by 4. And here you got 11 divided by 4 will be 2. That'll be 8, and then take away, you get a remainder of 3, and then bring the next number down. That'll be 36. 36 divided by 4 would be 9. So the answer to this one will be 29 degrees. Okay. Next one says, question E, the angle which is 12 degrees less than the supplement of 55. First, I'm gonna have to find a supplement of 55 degrees. So what adds with 55 degrees to make 180 degrees? So 180 take away 55, that would give me 145. So this angle here should be 145, wait, 180, no, sorry, my bad, 125. Yes, 125 degrees. And then it says the angle which is 12 degrees less. So we have to find 12 degrees less than this. So it'll be 125, take away 12, and that'll give you 113 degrees. So the answer to this question, E, is 113 degrees. Alright, next one, question F. The angle which is 15 degrees greater than the complement of 80 degrees. So let's find the complement of 80 first. Remember, the complement means add to 90, okay? So the complement of 80 will be 10, because 10 degrees plus 80 degrees is 90 degrees. Now it says the angle which is 15 degrees greater. 15 greater means we add 15 to this 10 degrees and we get 25 degrees. Oops. Alright, next one is the complement of 30. So let's find this part first. We start with this one. What's the complement of 30? What adds with 30 to give me 90? That should be 60. Okay. Now we need to find the complement of this. So what adds with 60 to get 90? And it's going to give you back to 30. So when you have a complement of a complement, it kind of goes back to the original answer. Because the complement of 30, here's the complement of 30. Complement of 30 is 60, right? Because 30 plus 60 is 90. And then you ask for the complement of 60, which is back to 30. So the complement of 60 is back to 30. That's why the complement goes back to the original answer, which is 30. Knowing that, let's do the next one, which is question H. It says the supplement of the supplement, so it's of 70. So that just be 70 because it goes back to 70 again. The question I is different. It says the complement of the supplement. So let's work out what the supplement of 100 is. Now supplement means it adds up to 180. So what adds with 100 to get 180? That'll be 80. So supplement of 100 is 80. Now they want you to find the complement of 80. So the complement of 80. So what adds with 80 to give me 90? That'll be 10 degrees. Alright, question J. The supplement of the complement of 60. So let's start with this one. Find the complement of 60 first. So what angle plus of 60 will give me the complement, which is 90? That will be 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. Now we need to find the supplement of this 30 degrees. So that means that what angle adds with 30 gives me 180. So that will be 150 degrees. Question 13. Find the size of the angle which is vertically opposite to the complement of 23. Okay, first I'm going to find what the complement of 23 is. So I'm going to do 90 take away 23. That will be 67. Wait. Yeah, that's right. So the complement of 23 is 67. And then it says the vertically opposite of 67. So imagine you have an angle which is 67, like this. And they say, what is the angle that's vertically opposite to it? Will be exactly the same, it will be 67. So the answer is just 67 degrees. Next one. The supplementary to the angle which is vertically opposite to the 58 degrees. So we're gonna start with this one here. What angle is vertically opposite to 58 degrees? Well, that's just 58 degrees. So an angle that's vertically opposite to 58 is going to be 58. Now it says find the supplementary angle to 58. So what angle plus of 58 give me 180? So we do 180, take away 58. This will be 2, this will be a 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 122. The answer is 122 degrees. Alright, question C. Says vertically opposite to the supplement of 119. So what angle adds to 119 to give me 180? So 100 and if it was 120 it'd be 60, so it'd be 50 it'd be 61 degrees. So the supplement of 119 will be 61 degrees. Okay, now it says what angle is vertically opposite to 61 degrees? Well, that's just 61 degrees. Remember, vertically opposite just means it's going to be the same. So whatever angle we have is, when you have an angle that's vertically opposite, it's going to be exactly the same angle there. Yep. Question 13. D. Complementary to the angle which is vertically opposite to 13. So again, vertically opposite the angle 13 is just 13. And complementary, so that means add to 90. So what angle adds with 13 to give me 90? And that will be 77. Yes, that's right. So the answer for this will be 77. Hope that clears up a few things.